Acanthamoeba is a genus of free-living protozoan amoebae that are common in soils and unchlorinated bodies of fresh water. This is one reason why some swimming pools are treated with chlorine. The genus contains a few parasitic species, some of which can cause infections of the eye, skin, and even the nervous system. Such infections can sometimes travel and affect other body systems. Skin infections may manifest as abscesses, ulcers, or even nodules. When Acanthamoeba infect the eye, causing inflammation of the cornea, the condition is called Acanthamoeba keratitis. While Acanthamoeba keratitis is initially mild, it can lead to severe corneal damage, vision impairment, or even blindness if left untreated. Like eye infections involving Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Acanthamoeba poses a much greater risk to wearers of contact lenses because the amoeba can thrive in the space between the contact lens and the cornea. Prevention through proper contact lens care is important. Lenses should always be properly disinfected prior to use and should never be worn while swimming or using a hot tub. Acanthamoeba can also enter the body through other pathways, including the skin wounds and the respiratory tract. Acanthamoeba keratitis is difficult to treat, and prompt treatment is necessary to prevent the condition from progressing. The condition generally requires 3 to 4 weeks of intensive treatment to resolve. Common treatments include topical antiseptics, for example, polyhexamethylene bigonides, chlorhexidine, or both. Sometimes with painkillers or corticosteroids, although the latter are controversial because they suppress the immune system, which can worsen the infection. Azoles, for example, clotrimazole and itraconazole, are sometimes prescribed as well. Advanced cases of keratitis may require a corneal transplant to prevent blindness.